How can SIP help in closing your home loan? Financial expert Mr. Ramalingam will elaborate on this now.
Many people who take home loan, they have this mindset. I have taken a home loan for 20 years, 25 years. My interest payment itself is much higher than the total principal amount. End of 20 years, 25 years, if I could calculate, I could have paid huge interest money. So is there any way to recover those interest? Is there any way to quickly close my SIP, quickly close my home loan? It is possible. There is a way out. I'll give you a way out for both recovering your interest or to quickly close your SIP, quickly close your home loan. First, let us see an example. Total house value is 75 lakhs, down payment is 25 lakhs, home loan for 50 lakhs, interest rate is 9%, tenure is 25 years, monthly EMI of 41,000. So principal amount of loan is 50 lakhs, interest portion itself is 75 lakhs. Total amount is 1.25 crores is what the person would have paid at the end of 25 years time. Now, like I'm going to give you a simple calculation to recover this 75 lakhs interest portion. Not exactly, but in a different way. Doing an SIP monthly in addition to whatever the EMI is 41,000. In addition to that, you start a monthly SIP of 5,000 rupees. It is 0.1% SIP strategy, right? On the 50 lakhs home loan, 0.1% is 5,000. Start that as an SIP. Already you are paying 41,000 rupees, 42,000 rupees as monthly EMI. On top of it, you are paying another 5,000 rupees SIP in a equity mutual fund. It is growing at 12% rate. End of 25 years, the total invested value will be 15 lakhs. Final maturity value will be 94.88 lakhs. If you remove 15 lakhs, it will be approximately 80 lakhs. Here, the interest portion is 75 lakhs plus here the gain is from your SIP is 80 lakhs. Somehow you can psychologically convince yourself that, okay, whatever the interest I have lost in my housing loan, I have recovered it here. Right? Again, time value of money and all those things may not tally, but psychologically it can comfort. Here the idea is how you are comfortable doing your EMI, be comfortable doing your monthly SIP also, so that you will be able to accumulate enough money. This is one method, one trick to recover whatever the interest you have paid. Next is how can you quickly close your SIP. Same thing, like you have 50 lakhs outstanding principal amount, 41,000, 42,000 SIP is what you are doing. You are doing on top of it additional 5,000 rupees SIP, right? Here the expected rate of return assumed is 14%. When you continue your SIP for 15 years time frame, total investment amount will be 9 lakhs, but end of 15 years, the SIP could have accumulated a corpus of 30 lakhs. Now, the principal outstanding is also 30 lakhs in your home loan. Now, withdraw this SIP of 30 lakhs and put it in your home loan account. Your home loan will be automatically closed. So, instead of continuing your loan for 25 years, you are able to close it by 15 years. That is the advantage of SIP. That is the power of SIP. And another suggestion what I want to give you is instead of buying your home loan, buying your home with 80% loan, first start an SIP, do an SIP, accumulate at least 50-60% of down payment and then go for it. That way you will feel less pressure, less monthly EMI. You will have more surplus money to do SIP and quickly close your loan. Instead of 15 years, you may be able to close at the end of 10th year itself. Another advantage for you.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.